Okay, we're gonna teach you guys how to make your disk drive read your disk. Pretty much. If it doesn't read it, like if it'll spin up and then stop spinning and say it does not read or whatever, or close tray or whatever, this is what you gotta do. We're gonna just take apart this front cover.
So many screws.
Xbox, stop putting so many goddamn screws into there. It's annoying. No one wants to take apart an Xbox.
Look at this freaking stupid.
Alright, now what you want to do is disconnect your disk drive. Oh, there. Okay, we already took this apart, but there's going to be a screw here.
No, there's not.
Here. No, there's not going to be screws here?
No.
Alright, never mind. My
These
bad.
are them.
Oh, okay.
These,
Gotcha.
yeah.
Alright, just take it apart now.
Just unplug that. Unplug that.
These two wires. Alright, now to take apart the disk drive. Oh yeah, see I was right. 4 screws. One.
Yeah, but stupid magnetic freaking screwdriver.
The screwdriver's magnetic.
It is.
It's awesome. Aren't all screwdrivers magnetic?
Nope.
Most of them are.
Torques aren't.
Torques are gay, yeah. And Xbox, don't use Torques either. Who the fuck wants to go out and buy fucking Torque screwdrivers?
Fucking bought like a bunch of them. Freaking lost them all.
Yeah, my dad took them all.
Did he?
Yeah. Alright. Alright.
Oh, hey, Bauhaus in here, so.
Whoops. Okay. For this, you're going to see a screw right here. Right there. That's going to be the adjustment screw for reading the disc for the laser. So what you're going to do, usually you want to do a quarter turn to the left, which we've already done, right? Or have you? Okay. So you just want to quarter turn it to the left.
We already did it.
Okay, well, yeah, just quarter turn to the left. Alright, and then just put it back together. I'll get this shit ready on the Xbox. Turn the TV around. Here, I'll just leave this thing over here with you. Shit. Screw it all back together. Let's not put the whole thing back together, just keep the disk drive right there. Alright, connect the wires to the disk drive. Alright, just put it in place. This one.
Yeah.
Does that one really not fucking work?
Yeah, did you switch them out?
God damn it. I'll be right back.
Dumbass. Why do you even have this battery pack? It's retarded. Just hey, no, hook up the backside. Look at it.
Huh?
Stupid. What are you doing?
Oh, that'll work. Watch it not work.
Fucking serious? No, they work. They work.
All right.
Yo,
So sit down.
stupid ass paper
Okay. Get the screwdriver.
Power
Turn
button.
it on.
Is it hooked up to the TV?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Get the disc. Did you bring a controller?
What about my kid?
Alright.
One of them should be there.
Alrighty. Just press B. Oh, it's not synced. Just if you guys were wondering, that's the little sync button right there. Alright. There it is.
Opening.
It works.
Crossing.
Look at that faggot. There it goes. Play game.
Aha, hedgehog.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any other questions, we'll try and figure them out.